Amber Heard has been in dire straits financially ever since she was slapped with a multi-million-dollar fine and damages to be paid to Johnny Depp. And it seems she has been trying to run from justice ever since, because after so many attempts at dodging the damages completely, she's now trying to get them reduced. The grounds for appeal, according to documents obtained by Vanity Fair, range from the trial court's failure to nullify the damages the jury assigned after finding both Heard and Depp had defamed each other to be an inherently and irreconcilably inconsistent thing, to the absence of clear and convincing evidence for actual malice, the standard by which defamation cases are decided. There were few shocks because several of the grounds had already been discussed by her former attorney Elaine Betty Hoff, either in court or in post-trial interviews. The very same Lane Brady cough that shocked Amber Heard with this moment. "Do you recall? I'm trying. A number of the arguments center on evidence that was admitted but shouldn't have been, any evidence that was not admitted but should have been, including numerous conversations with employees, friends and family members, as well as with medical professionals." In another point, the filing reads, "The trial court erred in allowing Mr. Depp to argue or suggested trial that the jury could award damages based on statements or conduct occurring prior to the publication of the challenge op-ed. That is, Depp was suing her for the opposite and thus claiming he lost work and was owed damages because of it. But Depp led members of the jury to believe that Heard was on trial for statements or events prior to that article's publication in the Washington Post in 2018. While this all sounds incredibly convincing from Amber's perspective and on the surface, why are they only trying to get the damages reduced instead of challenging the trial outcome in its entirety? It might be because her legal team thinks they won't win, and also because, well, Amber can't afford anything, not even a lawsuit with the insurance company she had to deal with in a 2-count counterclaim filed in U.S. District Court in Los Angeles. The claims that New York Marine and General Insurance Company violated their agreement by refusing to fully and properly defend Ms. Heard in the Depp lawsuit, including by implying that it might refuse to provide coverage because Heard purposefully vilified Depp. Additionally, claims that by now refusing to pay for any money Heard may be legally obligated to pay a judgment in or settlement of the Depp lawsuit. The firm has abdicated its duty to Heard. So now not only is Amber under pressure to pay Johnny and damages first and foremost, she also has to pay her legal team.